everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So if you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a review on a makeup brand named as Beauty People. So let's talk about this brand. So this brand is a made in India brand and it provides good quality of makeup stuff at really cheap prices. This video is especially for them who are college going and teenagers. At that age they don't have a good source of income, and also for them who just don't want to invest much on costly makeup stuff, but at the time they want good quality of makeup stuff in their makeup kit. So if you want to know more about this brand, keep on watching this video till end and let's begin with this review. Let me tell you first thing where I got to know about this brand. So one day I was just scrolling my Instagram and there the ad was displaying, and through that ad I went to their website, I checked their website and their products, and I thought the cost of the product were really good, like they were really at a low pricing, and I thought why not give it a shot to this brand. And so from there I ordered few stuff from their website. So guys, I'll provide link of their Instagram account and website in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. In total I have got 5 products from this brand, which include eyeshadow palette, nail paint, mascara, eyeliner and lipstick, and I'll provide honest and detailed review on each of them with their swatches. So the first product that I've got from this brand is this nail pen. It is a matte nail pen and it's in shade purple and the shade number is 376. So the cost I have got this nail pen is for 89 rupees. Actually there are other nail pens which cost the starting price of the nail pen on the website, if you'll check, it is at 34 rupees, but I got this one because I really like this shade and it has a matte finish. I have applied it on my nails. As you can see, it's so beautiful purple shade, and when you apply this nail pen you have to not wait for a long time, it just gets dry quickly, and this is the best part of this nail pen that I've seen. So next product that I've got from this website is this lipstick here, and the name of this lipstick is HD Matte Crayon Ultra Smooth Intense Finish, and the shade number of this lipstick is 106. It is a beautiful red shade, as you can see. Let me show you the swatch of this shade. See, it's so beautiful red color, and also I've applied it on my lips. It provides a really matte finish, and also it does not dries your lips. When it is a matte lipstick it mostly dries out your lips, but still my lips don't feel dry and all. And the quantity of the lipstick they have provided is a really good quantity, as you can see. The lipstick that I've got is at 249 rupees, but there are many more lipstick which are at low cost than this lipstick. You can check that on their website. The thing that I don't like about this lipstick, it has flowery fragrance in it, so that I actually don't like fragrances in lipstick. And yeah, that is all my review on this lipstick. Now let's move on to the next product. So the next product I have got this eyeliner. It is an black eyeliner. It also comes in a box packaging. Each and every product from this brand comes in box packaging except that nail pen. So this is how it looks like. So here I'm showing you the swatch of this eyeliner. As you can see, it's so black, intense black eyeliner, and this thing they have mentioned in the box. So guys, I'll show you the applicator of this eyeliner. As you can see, they have provided a good quality of applicator through which you can apply eyeliner easily, and also when you apply this eyeliner it will not provide any glossy kind of finish, it will provide a good matte finish, and also this eyeliner will be long lasting for 16 hours as they say in this box. Yes, you get all this only in 125 rupees, which is actually a good deal for an eyeliner. The next product that I'm going to share with you all is the one of my favorite product from this brand, and here is it. This is the palette that I've got from this brand, and the name of this palette is Blowout Eyeshadow Palette. There are 2 variants in this palette, and my number of this variant is 01. So I'll show you the shade of this palette. They have got beautiful shimmer shades in it, and only one shade is matte, and this are like less shimmery, but rest all are they have a lot of shimmer and shine in it. So this palette is good for beginners. Anyone new to makeup can go for this palette, and the cost of this palette is under 200, which is 199 rupees only. So in this price you're getting such a beautiful palette, and the pigment of this palette is amazing. I'll show you the swatches of this palette. Like, I'll take this shade. Just in one swatch, can you see how pigmented it is? Now I'll take this one. Look at that. Look at that pigmentation, you guys. See, and I think so this one is going to be my favorite shade from this palette. Wow, I'm so in love with this shade. The shade combination is so beautiful and amazing, and you must go for this palette. So the last product that I've got from this brand is this mascara, and the name of this mascara is Beauty People Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. And look at this packaging, you guys. It is so amazing. It looks so classy packaging, and this is how the applicator looks like of this mascara. And as they have mentioned, it will provide volume on your lashes, and yes, while applying I could see the difference, and it has provided good volume to my eyelashes. And yeah, and this mascara is good for a beginner, like who is new to makeup. They can always go for this mascara because the price is only 149 rupees. Like, if you want to make a makeup kit, then you can have this mascara in that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this review, and if you think this video was helpful for you in any case, so make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon which is beside it. And also, my Instagram handle is given in the description box below. Make sure you check that out, and also follow me over there. So see you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.